All right, so I'm Eric from Yuel Beast Designs. I am a small boutique chassis manufacturer based out of New Jersey. And I design and create all of these different open PC chassis. So this is the Atlas 2.5. This is the newest generation of Atlas that I have available. This is a robust, minimalistic platform for what I really consider overkill water cooling. So this is something that if you want a crazy water cooling system, this is a direction to look into. It's made out of all steel, 3mm and 4.5mm steel, all bent and formed, all locally made in New Jersey by myself in my family shop. So.
What about this one here?
Yeah, so this over here, this is the Motif Monument. This was the first design that really kind of blew up online. This is in one piece of 4.5mm formed steel, laser cut, bent, painted, machined, deburred, and tapped. It's LTX platform, and it's kind of.
It's one of your first project, right?
Yeah, it was. You know, it was cool. So that's the Calypso. So this is another LTX platform. This one was developed specifically for water cooling. What's neat about this is that you can rearrange and reorient the motherboard in any direction that you want, and it allows for a lot of different configurations in terms of like radiators and mounting points and stuff like that.
Okay, we've got a demo here.
Sure, so this is the lithium-e. This is a limited edition case that I designed. Actually, Asus has a version of this that was modded, and it's over in their booth. I'm sure you'll take a look at it later. But yeah, this is one piece of formed stainless steel with two then bent steel other panels. Really cool.
So, are they available right now? How much kind of the pricing?
So the lithium-e is going to be available in September, August, sometime around there. I'll be releasing another limited batch. The Atlas 5 is available now. And yeah, you guys can go to the website, yuelbeast.com, and check it out. Thank you so much.
Thank you.